You were born with a loud, confident, screaming voice. You were born full of energy, full of enthusiasm, full of motivation and abundance and lot of love, lot of receiving, and you got everything that you wanted. So now if you've believed that you were born with infinite potential, let's move on with the video how to use the infinite potential of this sophisticated gadget, the mind. So, before I explain the 3M model so that you can tap into your infinite potential, if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you come to know whenever I post a new video on mind tips. So, 3M model so that you can achieve that goal, and maybe this model is even possible that you are not achieving. So the first M is the mindset. The second M is motivation, and the third M is methods. So in this video, we will learn about each M, and then we will even see the combination. Suppose you have any two of them and one is missing, then how is your behavior towards your goal? And of course, when you have all the three, then you tap into your infinite potential. We will do more about that as well. So let's begin with the first M alone, that is mindset. Now, what is mindset? In literally dictionary meaning, we can call it a set of attitudes or attributes one has. Or I'll explain it as your belief about your capability. So if you believe, no, I cannot be rich, I cannot be fit, oh, that particular subject is not my cup of tea. This is all your mindset. Remember, you were born with infinite potential. It's only your belief after that. So it is your belief about your capability. That is the mindset. Then second M is the motivation. So motivation is basically your energy, or the literal meaning is the reasons for any behavior. So these are your whys. Why do you want to become a topper? Why do you want to be an entrepreneur? Why do you want to be fit? Why do you want to be rich? Why do you want to be popular? Why do you want to be famous? Why do you want to achieve that goal, whatever goal that you have in your mind right now? The reasons reap results. So the motivation or the energy will come from your whys. Now the third M is the methods, the mechanics, the strategies, the planning, the knowledge that is required to achieve that goal. Like if you want to be rich, you need to know the methods. If you want to have a stronger memory, you need to learn the memory methods. If you want to be more focused, you need to learn the techniques to become focused. So methods, the mechanics and the strategies. So 3 M's. Now let's see what if you have any two of them and one is missing. So let's start the first combination. Like you have the mindset and you have the motivation. So the overlapping area of the mindset and motivation can be called as inspiration. You have the mindset that you can do it. You have your reason strong that I have to do it. So you are completely inspired towards your goal. You need inspiration. But right now, you're still lacking the method and the way to reach there. So you are completely inspired, full of energy, and full of beliefs and attitudes towards your goal when you have only the two ends. Let's look at the next combination. Suppose now you have the motivation and you have the methods. So the overlapping area of these two circles is the implementation. You have the energy, you have the methods, and you will be implementing them, but you might be limiting yourself because you've already limited your capability in your own mind. You're lacking that mindset. Maybe you've already fixed up that, oh, 1 lakh per month is more than enough and this is only how much I can achieve. And you are achieving it also, but you are not extending to the infinite potential because of lack of that mindset. Then let's look at the third combination possible, where you have the mindset and you have the methods. Here, it's the only ideation. That is, the overlapping area will have a lot of ideas. You know you can do it. You have found the knowledge and the method and the strategies to do it. So you are full of ideas, but you lack the energy to act on it. So you have a lot of plans, you have a lot of ideas, but maybe you're still not moving towards your goal. You're lacking that energy. So now let's come to all the three together. When you have the mindset, you have the motivation, you have the method, the little area there, which is the common area to all the three, is the integration area, and this is where a champion lives. This is where an achiever operates from. So if you want to be an achiever, you need to have all the three. If you want to accelerate your journey towards your goal, whatever that goal is, you need to have all the three. So whatever goal setting method you have, and you have set some goals for next 6 months, or maybe for next 1 year, or maybe for next 5 years, just look at those goals again, and today check yourself. Do you have the mindset? Do you have the motivation? Do you have the methods? Which M needs to be improved? Because the moment you have all the three, no one can stop you. You will be unstoppable. So do let me know in the comment section which M were you missing that you still not reached your goal. And also tell me, did you like this video and what is the next video that you want on? So this is my wish and my desire that all of you should be able to tap into your infinite potential. Start working on 3Ms, and till the next video, bye bye from your mind coach Jyoti. Do subscribe the channel.